In this video, I'm going to show you how to do single spacing in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. For most of you, Word's default spacing is 1.16, and we want to change that to 1. First, select all your text. You can click and drag or press Ctrl A. Then we're going to go to this symbol above paragraph, the line and paragraph spacing. Select this once, and then we're going to select 1. If you're like me and want to do this even faster, press Ctrl A, then press Ctrl 1. If you want to look at more spacing options, then press Ctrl A, click on the arrow next to paragraph, and then we're going to go down to spacing and look for line spacing. Then click on the downward arrow and you've got single, 1.5, double, at least, exactly, and multiple. Select single and then click OK. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you will learn more about how to do spacing in Microsoft Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.